We already answered. We already asked this question inside the house.
Yeah. You didn't answer that.
I didn't answer.
Yeah.
Yeah, because hello, secret lang. Wala talaga akong answer.
That scared me.
Answer. Ay, answer. You ask questions dito. You see this? Hindi po. Hindi po.
Sige, read.
Hi, Homer. Hi, Nathan. Homer! What's up, Homer? I miss you.
Ba, you choose so loud talaga.
Ate Pat!
Ate Pat!
Hi, Ate Pat. Nagmana.
Ah, maganda pa, pero ang ingay ngumuya.
Who's your favorite person?
Ako.
My favorite person is Spam. Oh damn.
Da.
It's not a dog.
Da. Oh my God.
Dalawa kasi ang Central Visayas ng isa
Cebu po.
Tititit.
Bitsinger. Bitsinger.
Uy, ito yung birthday daw, oh.
Happy birthday po. What?
Stop chewing like a kanding.
Wait.
Stop eating that.
Whoever gave these, God bless you. It's so good.
That's
My
mine.
favorite. Give it to
No,
me.
nabala naman tayo.
It's
Guam.
Guam.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Capital G.
Hunter was a former listener. Tapos, siya yung marketing manager now.
Shout out po.
Ayo.
Guys,
sa
mga taga Cebu dira. Ito mong SM mo niya.
Yeah. Sa mga mga to SM mo niya. Guys, sing with me kasi wala na akong voice.
Sing with me.
Excuse me.
Sing with me din kasi konti lang lines na alam ko.
Uy.
Bato balang
Di sa guma.
Hey.
What's the next line, be?
Nakanimo ng ilaga.
Wow!
Duh, best ng good ko.
Shut up, you never...
Hello, Team Kai. Kai mates.
Hindi po, Manila pa.
Manila pa po. Pwede pa kiss. You make Sandra proud. Stop it, Nathan.
You see Nathan's face?
No.
So, minsan, yung point natin,
Hi.
Visayas,
Hi po.
kalaban
Karen in Canada. Canada. When? Shout out Jillian. Jillian.
Oh, hi, Jillian. So crazy. She's like a connection.
Ano rin? Nagpahinga na ba kayo? Like,
Like,
happy birthday. Juice Annie.
what?
Juice Annie.
What?
What?
PR 2853. Mount Tarmac Cebu,
That's
Ready set passengers for boarding
It's awesome.
through gate number 12.
You have to end the live now.
Bye-bye, guys.
Philippine Airlines flight PR 2853 bound
Bye-bye.
Tarmac Cebu is now ready to set passengers
Homer, let's play
for
badminton
boarding
when we get there.
through gate number 12.
She's lying. You should go.
Your boarding
She can't- I
pass
can't go.
and all luggage ready. Tapos,